This is a 2 bedroom which is on the market. They are renting it out. The price to rent this 2 bedroom is 100,000. That is per month. Okay, and anything you see, it will come with the house. You see the lighting, the fisher board, the ceiling, how it looks like. And when you go to the kitchen, it comes with the cooker, the wood extractor. It comes with the water purifier. To have that water purifier, then this on this side, this is your washing area. Okay, this is the laundry area. It comes with this. It comes with the heater. This is where you fit your washing machine. For 100,000, you'll be living in this 2 bedroom. The entrance looks like this. The shoe rack is there. This is the entrance into your house. You can have your dining below this light. Then this is your sitting or your lunch area. You have a huge balcony here, and you can see this is Kilimani. This is Kilimani Ling Road. Okay, Yaya Center, not far away from where I am. You have this balcony that runs on access to these bedrooms. The balcony runs here, there. Okay, and I'm sure this got a study room. We'll find out. Yeah, I feel there's a study room, but it's a 2 bedroom. This is the common toilet. Wall hang. There you will have your towel. This is the wash and basin. Then you have the cubic shower, which comes with the modern shower, and you can see the telephone shower which is there. This is the first bedroom of the house. Yeah, I see the lighting of it. I love that. Then you can see you have your wardrobe. Then, as I had shown you, the balcony runs and overlooks this Kilimani area. And then here, this is now the main bedroom of the house, which is en suite. It doesn't have a study. It's en suite. That is the bathroom. This is the wardrobe. Okay, there's a cubic shower. It looks like that. Yeah, for 100,000, you rent this one. About the resale or they are selling, maybe sometimes they're coming with the resale, but that one, no information yet. When the information is there about the resale, I will communicate. So I will also show the 1 bedroom, which you are renting it at 75,000 Kenyan shillings. I know someone will be saying no, but that is the market price to rent a house here in Kilimani, and this is a 2 bedroom. They have only 1 and 2 bedroom. There is no 3 bedroom. But now they have started a new project where they have started another project. They have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom, which right now they are selling them out as an off plan. Okay, they have already started, so it's not yet an off place. It's already not an off plan. You can also purchase that one, a new project which is on the market right now. And then kitchen is an open plan kitchen. This seems like you can decide what you can have there. Maybe a microwave or a dishwasher. You will decide, but you have this space. And always know that someone who is renting a house like a 2 bedroom, it's not like you have a lot of people, like you should be having a very huge family, So this is what is on the market to rent. Okay, yes, for 100,000, a 2 bedroom located in Kilimani. So we'll be in a 1 bedroom. We started with a 2 bedroom, then we'll be in a 1 bedroom. Then I'll move around the area to show the amenities. But remember, people are living here, so I'll try also to try and the privacy of the people. So we meet in a 1 bedroom house. The common area where you have the lift that brings you to this floor. You can see the fire firefighting, then it goes to this side. Okay, then also on this side. So it will be in a 1 bedroom. They are renting it at 75,000. You can still rent it at 70,000, but 75,000. When you enter in, this is your lounge area. On this side is your kitchen, which comes with the oven, the cooker. Also, the other one is that place is for the oven, cooker with 2 burners, the wood extractor. It comes also with this water purifier. Here it comes with the water purifier. Okay, so you purify water. Then on this side is your laundry area. Comes with this heater. Then you have this wash basin. Then looks like this. Okay, so let's go in. You see the room. For 75,000, you will call this home, and the apartment comes with the light the way you are seeing it. This is the toilet. I will not call it a common toilet. A 1 bedroom. It only has 1 toilet. The cubic shower, the toilet there, then wash and basin. On this side, now this is the room itself. Okay, I love the lighting, how they have done it. This is your wardrobe there, the entrance. That one being said, also you have a balcony here. You have a balcony, and this is outside. So if you are very keen, where I'm pointing, you can see vehicles moving there. That is Ngong Road. Okay, and then looks like this. So you are not very far from Ngong Road. Sliding doors separating your bedroom and the balcony. Also, the doors comes with these smart locks. The door comes with the smart locks. There is one which is making noise. So it's come with these smart locks. So all of them have been fitted with that. So for 75,000, you will have this, and you will call it home. So one thing I'm not sure is about the resale. In case I will get information about the resale, I will include it, because right now the information I have only to rent 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. Location Kilimani. It's a new construction, so we'll move to the amenities. Then yes, we'll move to the amenities. Then I'll be ending the video. Okay, so if we have more information, I will share that one. But if you want this 1 bedroom, it's located in Kilimani. You reach out, and this is your system. You can see the call, all of them. So if someone wants to speak to you, everything is here, and it looks like that. So we meet when I'll be showing the amenities of this area. I don't know if I can access the rooftop. I've seen the lift. Everyone, to access the lift, even for it to take to any floor, you are supposed to have a card. So I will try, but I will not lie to you that I may be able to go up to the rooftop, because we'll talk more. So we'll meet with the amenities. On to the amenities. We are here at this swimming pool. This is a heated swimming pool. In fact, it is very hot inside where I am. I can feel totally hot. So it's a heated swimming pool. So we'll start from here, then we'll move to other areas. Because about the lift, you have already seen the lift in the video when I was coming in. You can see this is heated swimming pool. I even feel like if I touch the water, seems a bit like there is a lot of heat coming. Okay, yes, there's a lot of heat. So when you swim here, you can still relax here, and this doors takes you out. Which one? Okay, it's this one. Okay, takes you out on this area. This is an open area, and also we have a restaurant, we have a gym, but we cannot, I will access them using the other door, not from this side. From this side is like I'm coming behind, I need to come from the main entrance. But this is the area itself, but still we can still have a walk around so that you may understand. So this is the area, but we'll move the other side so that I can enter even the kids play area like this. I will use the main door, just showing you on this side, which I will show you on the other side. Yes. So to rent in Kilimani, so I've given you the prices, and I say that in case there are someone who is reselling, that information will come later in the description. But so far I know yet information about the resale. I thought it was the room temperature. It's called the thermometer. Wanted to see how. Okay. So we have this area here. It's an open area. The kids play area will just peep in the camera. We have kids there playing, and also I'm in my shoe. So there is a restaurant. We have this restaurant. We have the common area or the kids play area, the entrance, and the building itself goes like this up. I did not have the permission to go up to the rooftop. Reason, the person I was with is in fact one of the people who are selling, like is the owner, and is not good in, like the understanding isn't that good. So this is the kids play area here. This is where they are playing from. Then we'll move on this side and then show you the gym. Then also here, this is the restaurant. I'm trying to avoid to show in the camera because people are there. Sometimes, not even sometimes, like it is not just okay. Then obvious the lift, which comes with the hose rail, the fire extinguisher. Then on this side is the gym. So let me seek permission. So this is the gym. I have to remove my shoe. So one thing I've liked is any new building is being constructed, the gym, they bring in new equipment, because see, everything is here is new, everything, and the dumbbells, all of them. So this is the gym. So these were some of the amenities, you have seen them, and something like a library. Library is not part of the amenities. So you're taking your training as you look at yourself. One thing I haven't understood, why the gym always have these mirrors that you look at yourself when you are lifting. I know how it feels because I've been lifting. Sometime I used to lift. So this is the gym, looks like that. What else is remaining? I don't think we have much remaining from my side. Yeah, nothing much, but I will see. No. Maybe only the basement, to show you the basement with the parking area. Then that will be it. Yes. So that is it. So we meet in the next part. So this is the basement for your parking slabs. Yeah, sometimes good for people to be familiar, like to know where you should park. So this is the place you will park your car. Okay. It's two of them. This is the first one. Then you have the other, the lower one. Now that is now the entrance from the main gate. Also this right here, you have people are living here, so it moves like that as you exit entrance. If you don't have a card, you cannot access anything, and this ramp takes you up and takes you down as you exit out. So that is it. Yes. Location Kilimani. As I told you that it's only to rent, but in case there will be someone who will be reselling the apartment, I may communicate though, but that one will be a bit like it will not be part of the video. Okay, yes. So ready to move in. If you're looking for an apartment to live in, far away, it's not far from Ngong Road. From Ngong Road, by walk, it's only 5 minutes. That is from Ngong Road. From Kilimani Ring Road, it's just here, and you will be in this place. Everything is here, as I've been able to move around as you are watching on this video. So if you're interested to rent a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom apartment in Kilimani, reach out. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next review. Bye bye.